the gradual report.
Jovan Petrovic asks, some new Serbian lessons soon? Question mark. Smiley face. You know, smiley faces are the universal language, whether in Serbian or English. Actually, not really a language, are they? More of a symbol, an international symbol.
Welcome to the Gradual Report, where we gradually report.
Welcome to Lesson 3 of the Serbian Language series. My name's Danny. I'll be teaching you the Serb. Today, we're gonna pay particular attention in asking for things from people, because nothing's funner than asking for things in Serbian.
Ej, kurac, daj mi žvaku, pičku materinu.
Roughly translated, it means, hey, good friend of mine that is male, please give me some gum. Thank you very much. That's not what it means at all.
Ej, pička, ali imaš olovku?
Hello there, good friend of mine that is female. Do you have a pen I can borrow?
Treba mi olovku, kurac jebote bol.
I need a pencil really bad. Really badly.
Ej, riba, daj mi broj telefonu da ti lizam pizac.
It means, hey there, lady friend, can I get your phone number?
Ej, pičo, šta ti fali?
What is wrong with you, friend of mine that is female? There are some words in Serbian that don't really need translation. iPod, translation into Serbian, iPod.
Pizda lizac. Da li imaš žvaku?
Do you have any gum? Imam.
A te ne dam. Ja te ne dam žvaku. Ne dam. Ne dam.
That roughly translates into, I have gum, but I'm not going to give you any. I'm not going to give you any. You're not getting any gum from me. I'll give you some, but the computer situation. Thanks for watching. And if there's any particular aspect of Serbian life you'd like me to explain, please leave it in the comments below. I'll be happy to address it in Language Lesson 4.
Srbija!
Ludak neki!